The solar-powered generator 100W, portable power station with solar panels 40W is a product designed for individuals seeking an eco-friendly and versatile energy solution. This portable power station is particularly useful for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and those looking to have a backup power source during emergencies. At first glance, the generator appears compact and user-friendly. Weighing in at a manageable size, it is relatively easy to transport, making it suitable for various outdoor activities. The included 40W solar panels are designed to harness sunlight efficiently, allowing users to recharge the power station without reliance on traditional electric outlets. This feature is particularly appealing for those who spend extended periods in remote locations where access to electricity may be limited. The generator offers multiple output options, which enhances its versatility. It includes AC outlets, USB ports, and a DC output, enabling users to charge and power a wide range of devices. This flexibility allows for the simultaneous charging of smartphones, laptops, cameras, and even small appliances. The integrated battery management system is designed to ensure safe and efficient charging and discharging, helping to prolong the lifespan of the power station. Using the solar-powered generator is straightforward. To set it up, users can connect the solar panels to the power station, positioning them in a location that receives direct sunlight. The solar panels come with a built-in charge controller, which helps manage the energy collected from the sun. For those who prefer to charge the generator via traditional methods, an AC adapter is also included, allowing for easy recharging when needed. In terms of performance, the generator's 100W output is suitable for light to moderate power needs. While it may not be ideal for heavy-duty appliances, it effectively supports essential devices and equipment, making it a practical choice for weekend camping trips or as a backup during power outages. In conclusion, the solar-powered generator 100W, portable power station with solar panels 40W presents a reliable and environmentally friendly option for portable energy needs. Its combination of solar charging capabilities, versatile output options, and ease of use makes it a noteworthy choice for those seeking to incorporate sustainable practices into their power solutions. Whether for outdoor adventures or emergency preparedness, this generator offers a helpful blend of functionality and convenience.